In this video, let's talk about converting binary to hexadecimal number system. What are these? The last time, we have learned binary numbers, and we know that it consists of only digits 0 and 1 only. Today, the hexadecimal number system, or base 16, is made up of 16 digits, numbers 0 to 9, and letters A to F. For example, we have this 1 base 6, 3A, 7A. So this number system is widely used by computer programmers or designers as it provides a human-friendly representation of binary coded values. To convert, we would need to make use of these equivalents. Numbers 0 to 9 is just the same. However, numbers 10 to 15 will now be letters A to F. So 10 is A, 11 is B, 12 is C, 13 is D, 14 is E, and 15 is F. Also, we would need first to divide the binary numbers into a group of 4 digits. For example, convert 111000101 to hexadecimal number system. So again, we would need first to group them by 4. So with that, we can have this 1110, and the other group will be 0101. So we get this from our given binary numbers. Next one is we would need to multiply from right to left 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, and so on, right? But we know that 2 raised to 0 is 1, 2 raised to 1 is 2, 2 raised to 2 is 4, and 2 raised to 3 is 8. So therefore, it is just directly multiplying the numbers by 1, 2, 4, 8 from right to left. The same with the other group. Then get their products. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. And 0 times 1 is 0. For the other group, we have 0 times 8 is 0. 1 times 4 is 4. 0 times 2 is 0. And 1 times 1 is 1. Next is we would need to get the sum of these products. So we have 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0. And we also have 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. To get their sum, I believe the first group, the 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0 would come up with 14. While on the other group, this would sum up to 5. Now, we would need to make use of the equivalence of these numbers. And from the table, we can see that 14 is E and 5 is just 5. So therefore, the hexadecimal equivalent of this binary number 111000101 will become A or E5. And then just put base 16 since this is hexadecimal or base 16. All right. Next one. Converting 101.111.00111 to hexadecimal number system. So again, your very first step is to divide this by 4 or by a group of 4. So the first group from right to left, we have 0, 1, 1, 1. The second group is 1, 1, 1, 0. And the last would just be 101. For the last group is, since it lacks with one number, we only need to add 0 to complete the group. Next, proceed with multiplying from right to left with 1 to 4a. Now their products, 0 times 8 is 0. For this is 4, 0. This is 1. Next, 1 times 8 is also 8. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. And 0 times 1 is 0. Next, 0 times 8 is 0. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. Now, adding each of the group, we have 4 plus 1 is 5. Next is 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0 would give us 14. And the last would give us 7 if added. Now, we know exactly that 5 is just 5. And 14, if A is 10, B is 11, 12 is C, 13 is D, so therefore 14 would be E. And 7 is also just 7. So therefore, we can come up with this hexadecimal value of 5E7 base 16 from the given binary number 101, 111, 00, 111. All right, that's just how easy it is to convert binary to hexadecimal number system. I hope you learned something for today. Thank you for watching, and again, keep exploring the numbers. Bye-bye.